This vertical propane smoker offers a tall, compact footprint with generous interior space, making it easy to fit on a patio while still handling food for a crowd. Four sturdy chrome-coated racks provide ample room to smoke everything from large briskets to trays of vegetables without feeling cramped. A 15,000 British thermal unit burner delivers steady heat, and the built-in temperature gauge plus adjustable rear vent give you reliable control over low and slow cooking sessions. Dedicated trays for wood chips and water help produce consistent smoke and moisture, so meats stay juicy and develop a deep, authentic barbecue flavor. Removable racks and an accessible porcelain enamel tray make cleanup straightforward, which encourages using the smoker frequently rather than saving it only for special occasions. Overall build quality feels solid for regular backyard use, and the straightforward controls make this smoker approachable for beginners, yet capable enough for experienced pitmasters.